welcome to my channel to everyone. Today I am going to analyze gold XAU USD, most popular pair in the with the traders with trading platforms. Okay, let's go to the jump in 4-hour chart. I am in 4-hour chart XAU USD gold. Now you can see this chart. This is called rally base rally. Now it's the time to retest this area. You can see price is now 1722. Price is now is the time for the retest. Okay, price is going to retest. I am focusing this area. I am focusing. Price is going to retest. I am mark it and shows to you this area. I am focusing. Price going to retest, and you can see I am going to the line chart now. If you don't clearly shows the chart, you can move to the line chart. Line chart shows you can see this point is two huge resistance. You can see the left side, this resistance should be a support here. Resistance becomes support. RBS, this left side resistance should be a support in here, this area 1713 or 1715 like that. This area 1712 like that. This area, this left side resistance should be a support. So this is I'm again going to the candlestick chart. This is my area. Gold should be a reverse to the upside. Okay, so my forecast is gold analysis this week. Okay, July month, last week gold should be retest this area 1714 and again going to the create higher high. You can trade a buy opportunity in this area. I mark this area. You have a buy opportunity. So if you take a buy trade in this area, you can move to the small time frame and get the confirmation and candlestick confirmation and take a trade. Okay, this is this week gold analysis. It's retest this area and should be create high above 1744 like that. Okay, let's take money management, take risk management carefully, use proper lot size.